Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to teach ourselves how we can trade our USDT on Binance to our local currency inside Binance P2P. You know Binance P2P, we buy and we sell. So we are going to sell our USDT in our Binance account on Binance P2P. Firstly, you must make sure you have a verified Binance account that is verified. So, and make sure you have USDT inside your wallet. You can see this is my spot. You go to spot, you can see I have 2.2741 so USDT inside my Binance spot wallet. And the conversion rate, because I transfer my currency into NAIRA, you can see it's 1000.052 NAIRA. How you want? Firstly, you need to transfer your USDT into funding. You need to transfer it into funding before you can be eligible to trade on Binance P2P. You must have USDT in your funding wallet to transfer it on P2P. So click on transfer. After clicking on transfer from spot, you can see from spot to you change it to funding. It has changed to funding, and change the BTC. That's the coin you want to select. You can change BTC, you can change USDT, you can change Ethereum, and so many other coins. I click on USDT. I click on mass. I want to trade all USDT inside my account. Confirm transfer. After you can see I have no USDT inside my spot. Let's go to my funding. You can see it has been transferred into my funding wallet. Click on Binance P2P. Click on Binance P2P. Mind you, if you want to, you can see the rate is high here. The rate is very high here. I can see the rate is 692 per dollar, per USDT. That's per dollar, I mean per dollar. Or if you want to be like one Mr. Eniola Akinkotun, he say don't change that 1,000 in your hand for 650,000 naira, please. Change it at the official CBN rate for 425. Don't compromise your nation economy because of a mere 225,000 naira change begin with me. If you want to be like Mr. Eniola Akekotun, you can change your USDT with CBN so they can give you at the rate of 425 per dollar, or you can come to Binance and change it at a rate of 692 per naira. So you click on. You can see there are so many people here, and my amount is just 1,000 naira. I just click my 1,000 naira to make it fast. I click on my payments method. I choose bank transfer. You can see there is a lot of bank. You can see GTB is here, Zenith, and so on and so forth. Overseas Bank is here, Zelle is here, AfriX is here, Top Up Mobile. You can see you can also send your card. I'm using bank transfer. Mind you, you can see the rate is 650 now. Mind you, when you want to trade with person, look at his reputation. This one the first one is Fast Track 007 has already do 1,024 trade with 91.90%. You can see Mr. Hotspot has trade 405 and have a reputation of 9.850. I would like to go with Mr. Fast Track. I click on sell. Clicking on sell. You can see that my 1,054 naira in that my USDT wallet. You can see when I want to trade it is equal to 1,488 naira. After you trade, you click on the price. After you click on the price, 1,048. Just check is payment window is 15 minutes. Buyer nickname, Third party is not. It's times. You can click the buyer have the times. It says third party is not acceptable online to release ASAP after I confirm your payment. Please not that call distract and delay release of assets. Kindly wait after payment. Thanks. You can see if you want to trade. Once you trade, you see you can select the bank you are using. After adding the bank, you can add bank. You can add another bank. You see I have a lot of bank here. So if you are watching these videos for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel because you don't want to miss another episode. And if you want to be like Mr. NIGERIAN, you can change your USDT with CBN so they can give you 425 naira per rate. Don't be carried away. Change begin with you. Thank you.